Ever wondered why some salespeople seem to close deals effortlessly, as if they had some secret ingredient that makes their job a breeze? Well, hold on to that thought because we're about to unravel this mystery. The secret ingredient isn't so secret after all. It's called rapport, the ability to build a bond of mutual understanding and trust with the client. But how does one go about building rapport? Fear not, we're about to break this down into easy-to-follow steps. First off, understand that rapport is all about connection. It's about finding common ground, shared interests, or experiences. It's about being genuinely interested in the person in front of you, not just the deal you're trying to close. So how do you build that connection? It's simple. Start by asking open-ended questions. These are questions that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. Questions like, what challenges are you facing in your business? How can our product make your life easier? This shows the client that you're interested in their needs, not just your sales target. Secondly, listen. Really listen. When the client is talking, don't interrupt. Don't try to steer the conversation back to your sales pitch. Instead, show that you're actively listening by nodding your head, maintaining eye contact, and using verbal cues like uh-huh and I see. This shows the client that you value their input and that you're genuinely interested in what they have to say. Thirdly, mirror and match. This is a technique used in neuro-linguistic programming where you subtly mimic the client's body language, tone of voice, and choice of words. This creates a subconscious sense of familiarity and trust. But remember, subtlety is key here. You don't want to come across as mocking or insincere. Lastly, be authentic. Clients can smell insincerity a mile away, so don't try to be someone you're not. If you're not a naturally outgoing person, don't try to be the life of the party. Instead, find your own unique way of connecting with the client. Maybe you're a great listener, maybe you have a knack for making people laugh. Whatever it is, use it to your advantage. In summary, building rapport in sales isn't as tricky as it seems. It all boils down to connection. Find common ground, ask open-ended questions, and listen. Really listen. Mirror and match the client's body language, tone of voice, and choice of words. And above all, be authentic. Remember, clients buy from people they like and trust. And that's exactly what rapport is all about. By building rapport, you're not just closing a deal, you're building a relationship. And in the world of sales, relationships are everything. So go out there and start building those connections. You'll be amazed at how effortlessly those deals start to close.